In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the accordion block in WordPress Accordion Setup 2026. An accordion is a simple way to organize long content into tidy, clickable sections so visitors can expand what they need and ignore the rest. It's perfect for FAQs, product details, or course outlines. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading into the site editor. From there, open your home template so you're editing the page layout directly. You'll see your home page in the canvas with the toolbar at the top and the block list on the left or right, depending on your setup. Next, add the accordion block. Click the plus icon to open the block inserter, then use the search field and type accordion. When it appears, select it. The block will drop into the spot where your cursor is placed. If it lands in the wrong place, you can move it using the up and down arrows in the block toolbar until it sits exactly where you want it on the page. Customize your first accordion item. Click the header text and type your question or label. Then click into the content area and add your supporting details. This can be plain text, links, or even small lists. To add more sections, look for the Add Item button inside the block and repeat the process, keeping each header clear and concise so visitors can scan quickly. With the accordion selected, open the block settings in the sidebar. If you don't see the sidebar, click the gear icon to reveal it. Under Color, set your text color first so the headers are easy to read, then choose a background color that provides strong contrast for accessibility. Avoid low contrast combinations and extremely light grays that can be hard to see. If your theme offers typography controls here, adjust the size and weight to match your site's style. Test the interaction right in the editor by clicking each header to expand and collapse. Make sure spacing looks comfortable, content isn't cramped, and the order of items makes sense. A quick tip: keep essential information visible outside of accordions when possible, and use accordions to reduce visual clutter, not to hide critical content. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right corner and confirm your changes. Finally, click Launch or Publish to push the update live. That's it. Your accordion is set up, styled, and ready for your audience. If you ever don't see the accordion block in search, your theme or plan may vary. In that case,